Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitch with Laura. Well, right now we are having part 2 of my review for the Spring Company, and right in here I'm going to put the little snippet about their Black Friday sale. So do check that out. I know they have a lot of things on sale. Now today we are going to be starting, oh I forgot to show you that, hang on, in this corner of these little blue butterflies, and the color that I'm using is 964. Yeah, we're almost together. And it's kind of a minty green or a pale bluish green, but yeah, it's very pretty. And I'm using my little scissors, so let's get started. My goodness gracious. I'm telling you. Well, yesterday it was just cold and windy and looked like it was gonna snow. And when I got up, it said snow ending at, and I'm like, look out, there's sunshine. And, you know, it looked a little bad over the mountains. No big deal, right? Yeah, well, later in the day, the wind picked up, and it probably snowed off and on, you know, but not enough to land. But I was like, okay, well, I thought this was coming on Tuesday. But here we are, right? So we'll see what the rest of the week brings. My goodness. Oh. So yesterday I watched a little YouTube, I watched a little Netflix, it was a good movie. It was just wasn't what I expected, so here we are. It was called The Piano Lesson, and yeah, I mean, it's just a regular movie. It wasn't a series or anything like that, but I watched it to the end, so it was a bit different, but still a good movie. It had Samuel L. Jackson in it. So you might want to check it out, and you know, if you find it's not what your cup of tea, then don't watch it. But yeah, I usually don't go that far off the... I'm looking at this symbol. Now I'm confused. I think it's green. Yeah. Okay. I thought I was doing the wrong color in the wrong place, you know, because that kind of stuff happens all the time around here. I stitched on my red chamber ladies and the peacock yesterday. And what else? I can't remember. Yep, this is what happens when you get old. It's like, thank goodness we have a YouTube channel so we can check back and kind of see what we did yesterday. Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. And I picked this color because it had a lot of places to put threads for this color. So, or I would have picked something darker, but we're good. I think this is going to be really pretty when it's done. And so far in this area, it doesn't look horribly confettied or anything like that, so we'll just have to take it a bit at a time. But that back stitching is going to be a hot moment. A hot, hot moment. Yeah, I started working on a different area in that red chamber beauty, ladies, whatever. Yeah, so I'll show that to you tomorrow in my YouTube channel. You can get a better picture of what it was I was working on. And of course, you know, it wasn't going as fast as I expected, but I just keep hacking away at it. So what is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something you love. Oh, and by the way, I am using the 2 needles that came with the kit. I thought I'd try out their 14 count needles. I don't care for the 11 count needles. They seem a little big for these spring kits, and I have a tough time putting them through the fabric. Now it might just be that the fabric is a little bit tighter, but yeah, I have a lot more problem with them. But these, the one I have right now, is going just fine. Yesterday I didn't cook anything new, thank goodness. I had leftover ham for dinner, and I finally finished up those ribs. I was kind of done with them, because it's a lot of, you know, when I want ribs, okay, I want it for that day, but yeah, not 3 days in a row, so finally got rid of it. I'm thrilled sick. They were good, though. They haven't had them at the store for a while, but I guess they figure there's a lot of different people in town this week because of Thanksgiving on Thursday, you know, so they always kind of they up their game a bit. Come on. We're just going to do something I don't like to do, but, you know, there's no way in heck I'm going to get that back in that needle. Where did that needle go? Oh, there it is. Holy cow, some days it doesn't pay to be a stitcher. I get out 1 needle at a time, usually. At least I'm right here. I'm not moving anywhere. So that's a good thing, but usually when I'm sitting over there on the couch and stitching, I only use 1 needle at a time, because yeah, I have a hard enough trouble hanging on to one. Every once in a while I go to thread one and it'll hit my hand and flip out of my hands, and I spend another 25 minutes to an hour looking for it, because it could have flown anywhere. Oh, goodness. So, anybody going anywhere for Thanksgiving? Are you going to go see your kids, or are your kids coming to see you and you're having the Thanksgiving dinner? Yeah, I wish I had a big enough house, but that won't be happening. Not here. So we'll just let them do. Their houses are twice the size of mine, so that always works out better. And I'm more than happy to bring whatever it is you need me to bring. Hang on, we got the thread up again. Oh my goodness gracious. Trying to get up the hill here. So I don't know, when I get off of this video, if I'll go back and start in this corner and just work my way out. So we'll have to kind of wait. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? It keeps... Sometimes you gotta kind of wet that thread just to get it to uncurl. There we go. So we'll see, and I guess we're not going to my son's until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it'll be pretty close to being dark by the time. It will be dark when we get back, but the sun will start setting around there, so not too soon after we get there and back. Hang on, please. All right, sorry about that. I had to go get my drink. I brought everything else over here, but forgot that. So we'll see. I have no idea how busy it's going to be at work. I don't know when people start coming in, and I guess the kids have the entire week off until, like, what is it, next Monday. So, yeah. Fun times to be had by all. And it may be totally quiet, people just going out of town for Thanksgiving, so it can go one way or another around here. And I guess it might depend on the weather. I don't know. So it said it was supposed to snow Tuesday and Wednesday, so we'll see if that transpires. But we have competent drivers, so there's no problem there. Oh my goodness. Stuff, and more stuff. Well, we got those two sections done. Got a little bit of thread left here, but I don't think it's going to make a big area, but we'll try. This thread seems very nice. It's some of that Egyptian cotton again. I did have a little bit. I must not have gotten enough water on it because it's kind of starting to curl again. I guess we'll just go here. It'll be just as easy. Have y'all used this Egyptian cotton yet? And how do you feel about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I haven't tried it from any other store other than the Spring store, or Spring Company, Cross Stitch Company, Spring Cross Stitch Company. Jeez, if I could just get all the words together. I'm telling you, some days. We got this, though. I can hardly wait to start with the blues and the purples on this. Just bright, vivid colors in this. I think that's what drew me to it. So we'll see how much of this I can get stitched before my floss tube. tomorrow. All right, guys. One more, maybe. Maybe, baby. Let me hide that, or secure that needle. So, yep, we just got that little area done. And that part right there. Oh, let me bring you down. I'm sorry, my bad. So we got that part done, and then there was a little bit more there, and a little bit more there. So they're nice little areas. There's probably bigger areas, but we're just worried about right here. So we can just finish a square there in that area, or a butterfly. We'll be flying. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep stitching.